Have you ever had hiccups that just wouldn't go away? Imagine hiccuping for 68 years straight. That's the reality for Charles Osborne, who started hiccuping in 1922 and didn't stop until 1990. Picture this: birthdays, family dinners, and major life events all interrupted by relentless hiccups. Doctors think it's linked to a diaphragm issue, but can you even fathom living with that constant annoyance? What would you do if every moment was punctuated by a hiccup? Would you find ways to cope, or would it drive you mad? It's hard to believe, but for Osborne, hiccuping became a part of his life. How would you handle such an extraordinary challenge?